Hey guys, what's happening? How to use ElevenLabs for AI for lifelike voiceovers. So first of all, head to ElevenLabs.io website, okay, and create a free or paid account. Paid plans unlock higher quality voiceovers and advanced features like custom voice cloning, okay, and choose a voice model. You can choose Brian, Alice, Bill, Callum, Charlie, Charlotte, Chris, and many more. Okay, choose a voice model. Let's say Laura, and select the accent: English, Arabic, Bulgarian, Chinese, whatever. Okay, and from casual to professional tones, or upload a sample to create a custom voice clone for unique sound. You can see right here the voice changer, right? And the voice cloning, the last option, and you can go and clone the voice. Okay, and then input your script. As you can see right here, it's been added automatically. Okay, you can copy and paste your script and make sure to add in the limit of 500 words. Okay, and keep it clear and concise for best output. ElevenLabs handle multiple languages and complex phrases smoothly. Okay, and customize the speech settings, right? You can see right here, tell a story, introduce a podcast, create a video voiceover, okay? And then hit generate, or you can just play right here to hear it. So I cannot hear, but you can just play it to hear it. And if you didn't hear it, that means that there's a problem with the website, but you're gonna be able to hear it, or you could just try for free, and then using your account, you're gonna be able to hear the final results. Okay, so pro tip: use shorter paragraphs for better intonation. Experiment with voice settings for more natural feel. You could choose the voice changer, dubbing text to SFX, or voice cloning, right? You could start recording your own voice and change it, okay? And try the Voice Lab feature for custom voice development tailored to your brand, okay? Need professional, lifelike voiceovers fast? ElevenLabs makes it easy to sound like a pro in minutes. See you in the next one.